Hi, I'm Andy from MA18JYU in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 10,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at MA18JYU in Taunton. Thank you.